Angels and Dudes. How to make a cucumber mint DIY salt scrub that will have you in a summer state of mind. Learn how to make this all-natural cucumber mint DIY salt scrub that's light, refreshingly cool, and will have you in a summer state of mind. The ingredients are dead sea salt, sunflower oil, shea butter, aloe vera oil, cucumber mint fragrance oil, vitamin E oil, and Green Mica Colorant. Heat shea butter on low until melted. Add sunflower oil and aloe vera oil. Whisk the mixture until blended. Add salt to a large mixing bowl. Pour the melted butter and oils over the salt. Mix well to fully combine the ingredients. Add cucumber mint fragrance oil and vitamin E oil. Once again, stir well to combine. Sprinkle green mica colorant over the mixture. Stir in to fully incorporate the color. Place bowl in the refrigerator for 30 minutes. Remove and stir to blend in all the ingredients fully. Mixture should be thick enough so there is no separation of oils. Fill your jar and you're done. Wanna take your summer refreshing one step further? Add Refresh in a Flash body spray. This lightly scented, alcohol-free body spray will keep you refreshed and your skin clean, fresh and odor-free during the hot summer months. And it has the same light, refreshing blend of cool, watery cucumber and fresh mint as the body scrub. It's available at angelsanddudes.com. What are your go-to DIY beauty recipes and or tips to get you in a summer state of mind? For more information, visit angelsanddudes.com. Angels and Dudes, don't forget to subscribe!